What's up, doing, bro? China, it's your boy King, and your boy listening to that eating some groceries. And we gonna be doing tricks on a hoverboard, showing people how to ride, and just doing cool tricks. So stay tuned. So first, do this, sister.
I'm gonna show y'all the basics of riding. So
Babies.
Like this. So let me redo step one. Okay, I'm gonna tell them how to ride it. You're gonna do the trick, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so you step one like this. Step one like this.
But don't be worried.
If you want to go forward, you lean forward.
Lean the thing forward.
If you want to go backwards, you go back. If you want to stop, you just.
If you want to stop, just
But if
don't
you
go.
want to go fast, lean forward a lot. Stop. Don't go forward or backwards if you want to stop. And here's a little spin tutorial you do while you're going fast.
I'm going to show them the tricks.
Okay, I'm gonna do this real quick. Ready? Go. Back. Back.
Turn.
In. Okay, now let's do this all together. Oh yeah, and to step off, you go back. So you step on.
And then when you go off,
Backwards, stop,
spin.
spin. Step on.
Okay. So here we doing. We're gonna be doing the tricks. If you wanna do tricks, you gotta be good and practice. So if you wanna do like a reverse, so move forward and then
Show them how to reverse, like step by step.
okay. So first, it's like you're doing a straight line, like walking forward, and then spin.
Right, just spin. Don't be scared. Yes, like that. Now do it and 2 times in a row. Ready, set, and go. Go, one, go, one.
Easy. Or if you wanna just do a spin.
Right, do a spin. Show them how to go faster.
Go fast, touching the gas so hard, full sprint.
Right.
Full sprint. And just moving forward.
Now go spin. Spin a lot. Eat your food, fat boy. You're not in this video. Okay, now let me see. Okay. Now, like I told y'all, step hard to go real full speed. Ready?
But don't step extra hard. You could break it in pieces.
Ready, set, and go.
She just meant like step hard, gently hard. Ooh. Oh yeah. And when you finna bump into something, the light blinks.
Right. No, the light blinks is just both your feet on it.
No, the light get lighter when you finna bump into something.
When the light blinks, it's like
You
a
can
light.
dance on it. Look. Oh yeah, when it's getting like when you dance.
Oh yeah, and they got Bluetooth, not all of them.
Right, not all of them. So you could go down, go
I don't
back.
even know why it's not got Bluetooth.
Oh yeah, got that for Christmas. Got me this for Christmas.
You could dance on it. You could dance on it. Step up in the club. Just keep it balance.
Do not be worried. If you worry, you will fall.
You could do one leg. Woo!
But under 5, no.
Right.
7 or older. Do not use that unless you're 7 or older. Okay. Okay, now
Let me outro. Let me see. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share.
And
Tell
make
me
sure
if you
ask
learned.
your parents for a hoverboard.
If you learned anything, comment down below. Comment down below that I love this video. It taught me a lot of tricks. Comment anything so we can know that. And we're gonna be doing shout outs, giveaways, and much more.
And yeah, ask your parents for for hoverboard. And
Or
happy
because it's
belated
just it could say electric scooter, but
no handle.
right, it's electric scooter. So ready, set, and we out. Peace. And we out. Peace.